Welcome. Today in front of me INFINIX Hot 12i, and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner tests on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner on the back side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, just the fingerprint scanner works so fast. I just simply touch the fingerprint scanner by this way, and we can see that the device unlocked successfully. So just we can unlock our phone just less than in 1 second, and this is the really good result. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes, pin codes, or patterns. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.